Hello, my friends, and how are you today? It's a beautiful day. When I looked out my window, I saw that it was sunny and a little bit cloudy today. And that's okay. We can have both. Sing along with me, okay? It's a beautiful day. And how do you do? It's a beautiful day, and I am so happy to see you today. Now today, in our art and fun, what we're going to do is we are going to draw our house. And we can draw anything we want around our house. And you can draw your house and color it any color you want. And we are going to draw a sun and a cloud above our house. And when we're all done with art and fun today, when I say goodbye, you can add anything you want to your beautiful picture. Now remember, boys and girls, you can draw your house today on paper with a crayon or a marker, or you can draw your house today on a dry erase board with a dry erase marker, or if you have a chalkboard and some chalk like Mrs. Hann has today, you can draw on your chalkboard. Mrs. Hann is going to draw her house on the chalkboard today. But first, I need to take down our sun and our cloud. Now, boys and girls, Mrs. Hann's house, if I looked outside and I looked at my house is the color blue. Do you know what color your house is? Guess. And if you know, grab that color crayon or marker or chalk now. Mrs. Hann, her house is blue. So I'm going to use the blue chalk. What shape is my house, Mrs. Hann? Well, most houses are a square. Do you know how to make a square? If you don't, that's okay. I'm going to show you. Let's get started. I'm going to make the bottom of my house now with my blue chalk. First, I'm going to make a straight line. Can you make a straight line too? Next, I am going to make another straight line going down from the top down. There's my second straight line. That doesn't look like a square, Mrs. Hann. No, it does not, boys and girls. I need a top to my square, and I need a bottom to my square. So I'm going to finish my square. You finish your square too. Let's get started. I'm going to make my top line going across. And then I'm going to make my bottom line going across. There's my square for the bottom of my house. Did you make your square too? I hope so. What's missing on my house and your house, boys and girls? That's right. A house needs a top. with a chimney. Some houses are flat on the top, but most houses have, it's called a roof. And the top of most houses, they have a shape too. And that shape is called a, do you know? It sort of looks like this. It looks like this actually. Do you know what this shape is? That's right, a triangle. You could choose any color you want for your roof. Mrs. Hann is going to use orange. You can follow along and make a triangle with me. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make a slanted line. Did you make a slanted line too? I need another slanted line. That's 2 slanted lines. Okay, let's make another slanted line together. There's my other slanted line. What's missing in my triangle roof? Is it a bottom? It is. So let's make a bottom to our triangle. Going straight across. There's my roof and my triangle. But what's missing on my house? Let me see. That's right, boys and girls. What's missing? 2 windows, maybe a door so I can get in my house? You're right. This time, I'm going to use purple. I'm going to make my door and my windows purple. Let's get started. This is also squares. We can make 2 squares for our windows. You can follow along. Let's get started. My first window, I'm going to make a line. There's 1. Another straight line. There's 2. Just like this. I need to connect my square on the top. And I need to connect my square on the bottom. I have 1 window, but I want 2. I have 1, and I'm going to add another one. I'm going to make another square. Are you making squares for your windows too? I hope so. I'm going to start. You too. Another straight line. Another straight line. I'm going to connect it on the top and connect it on the bottom. I have 2 windows, but now I need a door. Now this door is going to be green. My house is going to have a green door. And this shape I'm making, it's a little bit longer than a square. It's called a rectangle. And you can follow along and I will show you how to make a rectangle. Okay, boys and girls? Let's go. A rectangle, it's a long line going down just like a square, but it's just a little bit longer. I'm going to make another long line. Just like the square, I'm going to connect it on the top and connect it on the bottom. And I'm going to make a little circle for my doorknob. There's my little circle. My house is all done. But what Mrs. Hann wants to add is I'm going to add a sun and a cloud above my house because it's sunny and cloudy out today. You can make a sun and a cloud too. Follow along. Let's get started. The sun is a circle. Let's start with this circle. And I'm using a yellow mark chalk. Let's get started. I'm going to make a circle for my, can you see it? Circle for my sun. And then I'm going to add some sun rays. And that's just a whole bunch of lines. You can make them as long as you want, how short as you want. I'm going to start my sun rays. You can too. Let's go. There's 1, 2. Let's count while we make our sun rays. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sun rays on my sun. And now I'm just going to make a cloud. You can make the cloud any way you want. It could be puffy, like this. Well, I hope you had fun, boys and girls, making your house together. Now remember, after we say goodbye, you can finish your picture. You can color your house, you can color in your sun, and you can color in your cloud. You can even add yourself and your family with your house. I hope you had fun today. It was so nice to see you. Until next time, bye-bye.